Hello students, how are you today? I am Miss Arnetta and now I'm going to show you a tutorial of using an application that can help you improve your writing skill. To master writing skill, you also need to master grammar. Grammar will help you produce good writing. In order to master grammar, you can practice oftenly by using the application called EGRAMMAR. You can download this app in Play Store by typing EGRAMMAR on the searching bar. After you have installed it, you can now open the app. After you open the EGRAMMAR application, you may see this screen and just wait till the screen changes. Okay. Now the opening screen changed into an advertisement screen. It offers the pro version of EGRAMMAR. You can just click the skip button on the right top of the screen. And you will see the offer one more time, but you can just ignore it by pressing the back button. Okay, this is the main menu of EGRAMMAR app. There are not many features on this app so that you can use it easily. No confusing at all. You will see two tabs, and if you click the three lines icon on the top left, you will see the Upgrade Pro menu to upgrade your EGRAMMAR to Pro version, Privacy Policy menu, Share to Friends menu, Feedback menu, Rate us 5-star, and About menu to see more information about the app. Okay, now let's move to the Grammar tab or the main menu of the EGRAMMAR app. Here, you can see some lessons related to grammar. To see more of them, click View More. There are so many lessons that you can choose starting from nouns to punctuation. Let's try to open one of the lessons. Since we are learning about recount text in 10th grade, and in writing recount text you have to use simple past tense, let's choose past tense. After you clicked, you will see more options related to the past tense. They are past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect tense. Let's choose the past simple. After you click, two buttons will appear. They are grammar button and test button. Since we are going to see the lesson, let's choose grammar. Okay, this is the lesson or the material for the past simple. Here, you can see the explanation about the definition of past simple, the examples, the expressions used following the past simple, the pattern for regular verbs, to be, and irregular verbs. The material provided by this application is very comprehensive. If you feel that it is hard for you to read because the size of the font, you can increase the font size by clicking the button on the top right of the screen. Okay. After you read the lesson carefully, you can test your understanding by doing the test provided by the app. You can click the test button on the bottom of the screen. There are so many tests that can be done related to the past simple material. Let's try the first test. There are 10 questions for each test, and there are two options on each question. Okay, let's do the number 1. If you answer the question correctly, your option box will turn into green. However, if you answer it incorrectly, the box will turn into red. Okay, now let's finish the test. After finish the test, you can see how many questions that you answer correct, how many questions you answer incorrect, and your overall high score. If you want to retake the test, you can click the retake button. But if you want to do the other test, you can just choose the other test button or click the checklist icon on the top left of the screen. After finish the test, let's get back to the material. If you like the material, you can mark it as your favorite material by clicking the favorite button on the bottom right of the screen. Or you can share it to your friend by clicking the button on the bottom left. Okay, now let's take a look at the Task tab. In Task tab, you can find many tasks as the exercises related to many materials in Grammar tab. The test you find here is the same test as the one you see after you read the material on the Grammar tab. If you want to just do the test without read the material, you can straightly go to the Task tab to have some exercises. Okay students, that's all the tutorial of using the EGRAMMAR app that I can show you. Additional information, you can use this app whether in online or offline. You can use all the features in this app when you go offline, but sharing to friends feature. I hope this tutorial helps you in using the app to improve your writing skill through mastering grammar. Thank you for watching, have a nice day!